Hello everyone, myself Mrs. C.S. Nirali, Assistant Professor, Food Chemistry and Nutrition Department, Kekeva College of Food Technology, Saraswati Nagar Campus, Nashik, under course number FCN 357, course title Instrumental Techniques in Food Analysis. Today we will see experiment number 15, title Analysis of Minor Constituents of Foods. Under that, exercise number 1, Estimation of Calcium. Today's our aim is estimation of calcium. Coming to theory part, calcium is precipitated as calcium oxalate. The precipitate is dissolved in hot dilute H2SO4 and titrated with standard KMnO4. Reagents required: ammonium oxalate saturated solution, methyl red indicator. For that we have to dissolve 0.5 grams methyl red in 100 ml of 90% alcohol. Dilute acetic acid 1 plus 4 proportion. Dilute ammonium hydroxide 1 plus 4. Dilute sulfuric acid 1 plus 4. Add acid to water slowly and with constant stirring. Cool and make up to volume. 0.1 normal potassium permanganate KMnO4, 0.01 normal KMnO4. Dilute 10 ml of 0.1 normal KMnO4 solution to 100 ml with 1 ml to 0.2 milligrams of calcium. Prepare fresh solution before using. Coming to procedure, pipette out an aliquot 2200 ml of ash solution obtained by dry ashing to a 250 ml beaker. Add 25 to 50 ml of water if necessary. Add 10 ml of saturated ammonium oxalate solution and 2 drops of methyl red indicator. Make the solution slightly alkaline by the addition of dilute ammonia and then slightly acidic with 5 drops of acetic acid until the color is faint pink, pH 5. Heat the solution to the boiling point. Allow it to stand at room temperature for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. Filter through Botman number 42 filter paper and wash with water till the filtrate is oxalate free. Since HCl has been used for preparing original ash solution, it is convenient to test for absence of chloride using AgNO3. Break the point of filter paper with platinum wire or pointed glass rod. Wash the precipitate first using hot dilute sulfuric acid 1 plus 4 from wash bottle into the beaker in which the calcium was precipitated. Then wash with hot water and titrate with while still hot, temperature 70 to 80 degrees Celsius with the 0.01 normal KMnO4 to first permanent pink. Finally, add filter paper to the solution and complete the titration. So finally you will be getting the calculation as well as result, so that you will be able to estimate the amount of calcium present in the sample. Thank you for your patience listening.